welcome back. It's a beautiful day to be alive, a beautiful fall day to be alive, because let me tell you something, fall is almost here, baby, which means it's time for the FabFitFun fall unboxing. I know you know, but in case you don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. It comes out 4 times a year. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for partnering with me on this video. Listen, y'all know how much I love FabFitFun. I've been working with them for what, 2 years now? 3 years? Girl, safety first, okay? Ooh, here's this beautiful magazine that I will not read until after. The seasonal subscription box, you get full-size products, beauty, fitness, fun, wonderful. I'm sick if you can't tell. Here she is. She's a beaut. She's a beaut, almost as beautiful as Miss Indy. Indy and I, we've been sick this week, you know? But girls who get sick together, stay together. Am I right, girl? Let's do it. Ooh, ooh, what do you think? Ooh, ooh, hi, Maru. What do you think? All right, first up, we have the After Spa Hair Towel Heat and Frizz Free Dry. Wanna check it out? Y'all all up in my grill today. Listen, y'all know I don't blow dry my hair. I'm an air dry type of gal. So the hair wrap thing, it's splendid. Because listen, I don't like to get dressed right after the shower. I need to keep the towel on my body, and the towel on my head for my head. I'm excited about this bad boy. I think I'll actually use this when my hair is dry as well, just to cover my hair, because when you got blonde hair and orange makeup, girl, it doesn't mix well. Next product is from Aveda. This is the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. All right, so I'm focusing most of this on my ends. Got a lot of breakage up here, so I'm gonna get up here. Okay, that feels great. Ooh, gonna let that sit in its little towel wrap. Love a towel wrap. I love a towel wrap. Got it. Put this in your damp hair, and then you put your little hair towel on it. Ooh, wonderful. Listen, ever since my hair crisis, I know you know what I'm talking about. Ever since my hair crisis, I will take any nourishment, anything that my hair can get its hands on. Okay, I really like that leave-in conditioner. I like that it just kind of set into my hair, didn't leave any residue, soaked right in. Holy heckin' Bob, out to lunch. Oh, this is too cute. This is from Spade, a Spade lunchbox. Come on, back to school, baby. You need to bring snacks around with you? Me, all the time. The cutest lunchbox, and it says out to lunch. Honestly, I'm planning a snacking video right now, so I'm using this in that video, I'll tell you that, okay? I love a lunchbox, and I truly don't have a lunchbox right now. Everything got lost when I moved, I'll tell you that much, okay? I'm super excited about this guy because I have used these many times. These are from Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and you get a full box with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bad boys. I placed these bad boys in the refrigerator last night. Ooh, she's golden. I really like these. Little TLC in the morning. Listen, your girl got the world's darkest dark circles. Right, that's probably dramatic, but I always have under eye bags, you know what I'm saying? Hey, taking care of myself today. Listen, on the days where I don't want to get out of bed, my eyes hurt, I can't wake up, these suckers rescue me. It leaves my under eyes super hydrated, which y'all know your girl is as dry as the Sahara Desert. That joke, it doesn't get old, you know? Moving right along. Looks like we have the cutest stinking ear crawlers from Bobble Bar. All I know is that these are stinking beautiful. I gotta put these bad boys on. Oh, did I do that right? That's beautiful. Or you can wear it as a dangle. Ooh, okay, wait, I don't know what to do. Should I wear it as a dangle or an ear cuff? Cute! Okay, these are actually, can you imagine doing like a little cute pulled back look with these little ear crawlers? Listen, the only thing I don't love about the middle part is it hides a good contour and it hides a cute earring. And I want to show these bad boys off. Can you see them? Well, you can't see them, but we'll just keep those bad boys on. This is from Harper & Airy. These are the Exfoliating Sugar Cubes Juice Cleanse. Why is this the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire stinking life? Look at this. Are you kidding me? Okay, so listen, I tried these exfoliating sugar cubes in the shower today. Only 8 cubes come in this bad boy, so I thought I had to take a full cube, but I was wrong. I have extra cubes sitting in my shower because I didn't use it all. They smell so good. You only need to use half a cube. I might even try 1/4 of a cube next time. Definitely a moderate scrub, which I prefer. I got psoriasis patches all over my legaroos, okay? So I can't be scrubbing those off. Or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. My whole body is a rough patch, let me tell you. Okay, after I got out of the shower, I went ahead and applied the body soufflé. This is vegan and cruelty-free. I'm really big into trying to find a moisturizer that I love right now that's all natural. So I'm using this one from Amazon, the Organic Hand and Body Lotion. This is a good daytime moisturizer. I would say this is also a good daytime moisturizer. I loved my last body moisturizer, okay? I loved it. I swore by it. I still do, but it does have mineral oil in it, and I'm trying to keep away from a lot of ingredients like that inflame my psoriasis. So I'm on that all natural lotion grind, but I need something super hydrating. So a body soufflé sounds pretty moisturizing, okay? Ooh, she's thick. Ooh, she's thick, but she's watery. Ooh, oh, wow. I'm sick and I can still smell that. I prefer super hydrating lotions because I am dry girl. D-R-Y. That's me. She's dry. That was good. Body soufflé is quickly absorbed in the skin, feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Love that. We don't love stuff that lingers. This is natural, no animal testing, suitable for vegans, ethically sourced, and paraben free. Holy heck, mom, that smells so good. Whew, cleared my sinuses right up. This is exciting, okay? This is from the brand Amika, which is an amazing hair care brand. Holy heckin' Bob, y'all. We get a full-size Amika straightener. Listen, I have pin straight hair, but you know what a straightener does? It also curls your hair. You know what I'm talking about, Miss Indy? All right, I'm gonna pop these guys off. Ooh, we love a hydrated under eye. Okay, I'm gonna let my hair air dry and then we can go in with the Amika straightener. I'm so excited about this. I'm really bad at straightening my hair with a straightener, but I'm really gonna try. I'm gonna give it my all. I'm gonna put all effort into this bad boy. All right, here's post curling with the straightener. Not bad, not perfect. A for effort though. That's what I like to say. I think if you're in the market for a new straightener, you're in luck. Amika is an amazing brand. I use a lot of their hair care products. Honestly, how expensive is this straightener? All right, I'm cheating. A full-size Amika straightener? That's not cheap, girl. And this bad boy is $80. This is more than the box itself. And how cute is this color? Come on, a little neon moment. It's the season of neon, y'all. Well, I mean, now that we're moving away from summer, is it still? Yeah. I actually got to customize my box this month, which you can also do if you purchase the box, which is very exciting. And let me tell you why it's exciting. If there's one item you don't like and you want something more, swap it out, girl. The total value, you know what, let me just add up exactly what my value is, you know, because they give you like an estimate depending on the products that you got, but one momento, okay? One momento. For the total of all the products that I picked out, my total was $251. And if this is your first time subscribing, you can use my code FITWIT, get $10 off your box. It makes it $39.99. Homegirl, $39.99 for $251? You just can't beat it, saving that cash money, honey. All right, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know if you love this new format where I show you me using the products. It's not just an unboxing, it's an unboxing and first impression. Ooh, yeah, I love that. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will see you next time.